you guys are wondering what happened to Dominator 3, I don't use it a lot anymore. Because it's just, I've just been focusing more on my trucks. It just sits in the shop for years and years. This is my oldest truck I've loved about. And these are my two trucks I still use a lot, but I'll show you what Don 3 looks like. Ever since he sold me the Don 3, I haven't been using it very much. In the last video, it got stuck. But I didn't post that video yet. It got stuck somewhere. And I couldn't get it unstuck. So, but here it is now. It's been sitting here for 2 years now. But here's my other truck. The suspension broke on it, so this is why I don't use it anymore. It just sits in here it dry rotted though. I'm joking, but I'm trying to been fixing up these, except for Down 3. It's just too much work. Remember the first time the guy sold it to me, he retired due to because tornadoes were, he just didn't want to die, but here it is, and if you guys are still wondering what happened to it, it's just been sitting here. But, dude, this is what the interior looks like. It's just been old. I haven't started it in 2 years now. Airbags could be broken. Flat tires. Here, let's check. Yeah, that's flat. Look at under here, man. I might just scrap it. I don't know. If you guys want me to fix it up, just comment down below. But, so the headlights still work though. Never mind, they don't. They're broken now. I don't know if the back ones work. No, the back ones work. This thing's just been too old. The hazards work. It's the only thing that works. Horn works. Okay, hang on. Full start. No way, dude. No way. No, that's... Well, if it runs, let's get it out of here. Bro. Ready, guys? You're gonna see some old diesel come out. Yeah, oh, dang, dude. You see that? Woo! Trying to get that diesel out. Neutral? Jeez, dude, neutral. Look at that. Woo! Here we go. Speed over. I can't believe this thing's actually running. It's crazy. I need some diesel in it though. Sooner or later, we're going to replace the engine. What's the speed limit? 65? I'll go 62. This is the diesel. Put it in neutral. Rev it one more time. Okay, let's fill her up. It was almost on E. I mean, I can't believe this thing's actually running though. I don't know if it's probably hot. Here's where the tires are. But we're gonna head home. We're gonna head home. Woo! Let's start her up. Rev her! Go! Here we go. Should I get some food? Let's get some food. 900. Come on. A lot, but decent. Shift her up. Up. Damn it. Fourth. No. Okay, I thought I missed the turn. Shift her up! We're flying! Hit the brakes, hit the brakes, hit the brakes, hit the brakes! On this place, we gotta go fourth gear. Third up. God damn it. God. You know how much diesel I probably was? Well, if you guys thought I scrapped this thing, well, you're in luck. I did not. I would not scrap this. The guy took off the bed and then he automatically just retired. He discontinued it, but I continued it. I continued it. I was the one that left this thing running. I don't know why he even left it. Okay. Still have it on. Shift her down. Okay guys, I'm gonna end it right there. I hope you guys enjoy this video. In next video, we're redoing the engine, because it's probably broken a little bit. But in the next video, we will replace this engine. But the part is, I need to do the headlights too. But I'm focusing on the Dominator 3 now for more. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and hit that bell and comment down below what I should do with this thing. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Beep, boop, boop, bop, 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 bop. I'll give you. Peace, everybody.